and welcome back to Editing 24/7. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change resolution of the video in Canva. It's quite simple. All you have to do is follow along. So first thing first, let's upload a video. Resolution of this video. In order to do that, we have to simply go to the top right corner and this share option. Let's tap in there, and here you need to download the download button, and here you can see the option of quality, and there's a slider over here. So currently I do not have the pro version, but I'm hoping you have one. You actually need a pro version to get the resolution. So you have one. So if you have a pro version, you can simply tap into this quality section, and here you can add the slider, and later you can select that to 180 or even to 4K. So yeah, and hit this download button, and that is how you change resolution. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you.